Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Let's talk about the program you're going to be creating today in Python. So, one, you're going to declare a variable and ask the user the following question. How much money is in your bank account? Or some variation of that question. So you're going to be creating two while loops. The first while loop is going to prevent the user from entering over 100. So anytime they enter over 100, you need to give them some kind of message. You'll see my example in a moment, and then ask them that again. All right, so once they enter a number below 100, you're going to develop a second while loop and have it do the following. So obviously, if the user enters less than 100, we're inside that while loop. And then you're going to ask the user, how much money would you like to give them? You can't give them more than 20 at a time. All right. So each time you're going to add that indicated amount to their balance and then tell them how much money they have. And then that process will continue inside the while loop until it gets over 100. Of course, use hashtags to describe what you are doing in the code, and use appropriate spacing between questions and inputs, and line breaks to make your program easier to read and use. All right, so let's take a look here at the finished product. Yours might look something similar to this. So let's run it and see what happens. All right, how much money is in your bank account? Well, I have $1,000. There is no way you have that much money, it says. All right, how much money do you really have? Well, I actually have $500 in my account. There's no way you have that much money. How much money do you really have? All right, I'll be honest. I've got 25. Okay. How much money do you want? Man, I would like $1,000. I can't give you $1,000. I can only give you 20. How much money do you want? All right, well, how about 50 bucks? I can't give you 50. I can only give you 20. How much money do you want? All right, I'll take 20. All right, you have 45. How much more money do you have? Could you give me 15 this time? You have 60. How much more money do you want? How about 5? All right, you have 65. How much more money do you want? I'll take 20 again. All right, 85. More money? Yep, sure, I'll take another. Let's go 19. How close there? Just to give it. All right. Goodbye. You have $104. Goodbye. Don't spend that $104 all in one place. All right. So there's a good example of what you're going to be creating for your program. I can't wait to see what you make, and I'll talk to you guys later.